welcome home. Congratulations on a wonderful year.
It's a championship team from a championship school. Anchor down.
We wouldn't have been able to get to this point without these people, rooting us on and cheering us on the whole way. So coming back home and seeing these people's faces, we really appreciate it. It goes a long way.
I don't take it for granted. There's not a day that goes by since I've been here at Vanderbilt University where I think that I never take my position for granted.